Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me and in today's video it's something different क्योंकि आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को दो नए प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने वाली हूँ, दो स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ जो मैं अभी रिसेंटली यूज करना मैंने स्टार्ट करा है बिकॉज यू नो सीजन चेंज हो रहा है, अभी धीरे धीरे वी आर शिफ्टिंग टू द विंटर्स। सो मैं आप लोगों के साथ दो न्यू अमेजिंग एंड वेरी यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ। बट बिफोर दैट, इफ you guys like my regular content and like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description as well as on the screen. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. क्योंकि अभी विंटर स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं, हम लोग का जो स्किन है वो डेफिनेटली ड्राई होने वाला है एंड वी विल नीड लोड्स ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड कीपिंग इट हाइड्रेटेड. सो आई हैव कम अप with these two MamaEarth products. They are the most amazing Aqua Glow range from MamaEarth. We have got the MamaEarth Aqua Glow face wash and the MamaEarth Aqua Glow gel moisturizer cream. So I just love how both of them look. So the face wash is for intense hydration and it's got so many amazing qualities. तो मैं आप लोगों को यूज करके बताऊंगी कि कैसा how it looks. So this is my skin before using it and यूज करने के बाद कितना डिफरेंस आता है and इसमें क्या क्या है मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी and how it will help your skin. So before that, you guys already know that MamaEarth is free from all the harmful chemicals and it's an all natural brand, and it's also an Indian brand which is plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastics than they use, which is a great initiative. So they have so many amazing qualities. It also has plant goodness initiative, which is that every time you order from them they will link your product on the website to a tree that they plant and they will share the exact geolocation picture and the species of the tree that they plant and it will be sent to you. So it's a great initiative and guys, it is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and MamaEarth official website and app. Yes guys, MamaEarth has launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and extra discounts. So now I'm going to show you how am I using this. मेरा skin इसको यूज करने के बाद कैसा लगता है. So this is how the packaging looks. I love it. It has also got the same what you call this this amazing cleansing brush tool thing. So all you have to do is just press it and so it has this open thing. So यहाँ से आपको बस ऐसे twist करना है और ये open हो जाएगा and all you have to do is just press the tube and it will come up. Look at that glow. Oh my god, देख के ही समझ में आ रहा है कितना ये hydrating होने वाला है. So I'm gonna use some on my face. So this is the Aqua Glow face wash with Himalayanthermalwater and hyaluronic acid for intense hydration, and it also is aloe vera. So what it does, it boosts hydration, makes skin glow, soft and supple skin, goodness of Himalayanthermalwater and suitable for all skin types. And of course guys, we know how good hyaluronic acid is to plump our skin and to just give the intense hydration that it needs. So after the scrubbing, now I'm gonna go and wash my face and see guys. Oh my god, this is how my face looks just after using the face wash and it is so hydrated guys. I cannot begin to tell you how soft and hydrated and fresh my face looks and my skin feels. Oh my god, I love this product already. So I already shared with you all the goodness of this product. So followed by this product, all you have to do is use their gel moisturizer. It's the Aqua Glow Gel Face Moisturizer with Himalayanthermalwater and hyaluronic acid for 72 hours hydration. It'll make your skin youthful, healthy, soft and glowing. Amazing product guys. It's so hydrating. Oh my god, I love it. Guys, it's such a lightweight gel formula. It keeps skin fresh and plump, gives 72 hours hydration, goodness of Himalayanthermalwater and is suitable for all skin types, of course, because it's all natural. And look at my face. Look at that immediate instant glow that it has given to my face, and it's gonna stay like that for 72 hours. I don't think I need to say much about this product because you guys can see yourself kitna zyada hydrating hai guys. Just look at it. So now you guys know what to do for your winter skincare routine. Just go on, just close your eyes and use these products, guys. These are perfect for all skin types since they are all natural, and I would highly recommend this range for winters. You know, October starts with the fall season and everything, so yeah, it's perfect to change to these products for the new season, and I am super excited for you guys to try it क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है और आप लोग को खुद ही दिख रहा होगा कितना ज़्यादा hydrating है. This is what we need during the winters, right? जब पूरा dry हो जाता है अपना skin. So yeah, I hope you guys like this recommendation of mine. So you guys will get a 20% off discount on these products if you buy from MamaEarth website and their app if you use this unique code Ankana2021, and I'm sure you guys will love the discount within these products because they already are so inexpensive, so affordable, and above that, you guys, I love the ingredients, the formula, the composition, everything is great. It'll definitely, you know, hydrate your skin. You guys can see the glow, the instant glow that I have on my face, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah guys, bye. I'll see you super soon in my very next video.